Are you considering trying a new diet to lose weight? Then you need to know the #1 secret to losing weight and keeping it off permanently. So stay tuned. I've worked with thousands of clients over the past years to help them collectively lose over hundreds of thousands of pounds. So I can tell you that there is just one common thread between every person who loses weight and keeps it off for good. They all have one thing in common. Are you ready for it? They have all made simple dietary changes that they enjoyed and they could stick with. That's it. It's really not a huge secret. If you look at the diet industry, there are so many diet plans on the market and so many diets fail over and over again because not every diet works for every person. We're all different. We have different goals, different lifestyles, different preferences, different personalities. I don't care what you want to follow. If you want to follow a ketogenic diet, you want to go to Weight Watchers, you want to become vegan, no matter what you decide to do, you have to ask yourself, why are you making this change? Are you hoping to just lose weight quickly? And if so, is that your end goal? How are you going to stick with those results? You can't just make a dietary change now that you can't envision yourself sticking with for years to come, really. Because think about what happens. You make a change now, and then in a month from now, you go back to your old habit. Are you really better off? If you followed a keto plan for a month, you lost a bunch of weight, but then you go right back to eating your ice cream every night, you're gonna gain the weight back. Your health is not improved. Maybe you were healthier for a month, but that's not really a great accomplishment. You wanna make changes you can stick with so that your results stick around, right? When you make a change, it has to be three things. It has to be easy, effortless, and enjoyable. If it is not, you are not going to stick with it. So before you make any change to your diet, I want you to ask yourself if you can see yourself sticking with it a year from now or 2 years from now. If you want to go on a keto plan and you know that you can stick with that type of lifestyle long term, go for it. But if you can't, then pick something else that you know you can stick with. It's not about losing weight quickly. It's about improving your health and sticking with it. And I would challenge you to make changes so small they don't really feel like a change. They feel effortless and you enjoy those changes. So those are the changes you are going to stick with for good. The people that are the most successful are making changes that they can stick with. And I get it, nutrition's always changing, the science is always finding new things that we should be doing, so it can be completely overwhelming. Even as a dietitian, it's overwhelming. But you can't make all those changes at once. And if you try to make too many changes at once, you burn out, you go right back to your old habits, and you're no better off. So instead, focus on just one change, one thing that's really easy to do, that's totally effortless, and that you know you're going to enjoy. And when you make that change and you stick with it, then you can add on to it and add on the next change and the next change. And before you know it, it has a snowball effect, and all of those changes equal big results. So you can lose weight, you keep it off, and be happy in the process as well. So what small change that's easy, effortless, and enjoyable can you make to your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like these tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe for all of my easy ways to make time for health without having to find time for yourself.